Okay, so this is our graphic organizer. If you do not have this packet, please use lined paper to draw out the graphic organizer. The graphic organizer is another way for us to organize our thoughts and ideas before we actually get to the composition. If we do that, when we get to the composition part, it's so much easier, y'all. Do the work now because later it will be easier for you. So here is where I will write my introduction. Here is where I will write my conclusion. This is my reason and my details. A couple things that I'm noticing about what's going on with our graphic organizer. First of all, we're not drawing it big enough to fit any kind of information. Don't be scared to use the whole page. I need to be able to write 2 to 3 sentences in this box up here. If you draw it teeny tiny like I'm showing you here, you cannot fit anything in those boxes, and then it becomes really sloppy and hard to read. Draw it big. Draw it side to side. Look, I only have a very small space on the sides because I used all of the paper. Down here, I need to leave a spot for my transition words. Good writers use transition words. I've been giving those to you to make it easier. Please be sure to write those on the lines so that you include them at the beginning of your paragraphs. Then down here, we need 4 lines for 4 details to support our reason. So each star 1 and star 2 will be 5 sentences. It will be our reason and 4 supporting details. So my reason will be my first sentence, and then my supporting details will be the 4 sentences that follow. Again, the conclusion down here, make that paragraph nice and big so that you can write inside of it. Just remember, you need all of this before you can move to the next part.